Hi, welcome to Intro to JavaScript through the ICC IT Workforce Acceleration. My name is Mark Webb. I want to give a little introduction to myself. I've been teaching since 1996. I've been teaching at ICC. I basically have taught everything from VB.net, webpage, it's been a slew of stuff. Microsoft Office, operating systems, so again, HTML, business math. Anyways, I have it all on my resume. And then I was teaching at Midstate College where I taught Java, Intro to Java, Advanced Java, web page programming. We did PHP, JavaScript, a few other things. And then I also taught at Illinois Wesleyan where I taught Python. So I want to say this, it's been a few years since I've done JavaScript, so I may be a little rusty. So I just want to kind of get that out of the way at the beginning. So as I'm lecturing, you might hear me kind of trip up on a few things because it's been a few years. But one of the things I used to work on at State Farm, I used to work on their internet rate quote for homeowners, condo, and apartment rental. So and that's been quite a few years ago. So I am experienced in web page and JavaScript and all that. Like I said, it's been a few years, so I am a little rusty. How I want you to kind of work this course is I have a video lecture for each week. Each video is about an hour long. And what I really want you to do, I do have some lab work I want you to kind of work on and I will tell you where to pause and do those sort of things. But I encourage you to every now and then just pause the video and experiment, work on some different things, try some different things. If you need to go out to the internet and do a search on how to do something, by all means do that. This class is not a pass-fail or anything like that. Again, this class is at no cost to you along with the textbook. So this class is just to try to get you to basically learn JavaScript. Now, when they asked me to teach this class, I told them, I says, are the students going to have HTML? Are they going to have experience with HTML? And they said, oh, they didn't know. And I said, well, in order to do JavaScript, you have to know HTML and CSS. And they said, oh, can you include that in there? So I'm going to spend the first 2 weeks just on HTML, HTML forms, and CSS. Again, we can spend 4, 5, 6 semesters on just HTML and CSS and JavaScript and PHP and Python built into HTML. So spending 2 weeks is just really just not even scratching the surface. So, but the first 2 weeks are just to kind of get you acclimated to HTML and some of the different terms and how to basically develop just a basic web page. And then the second week, I dive into CSS and then more into HTML forms because we're going to need that for the very last class of JavaScript. So I just kind of wanted to introduce myself, let you know what things are happening, my background and that type of thing. I've been doing this for just over 34 years. Plan to retire in just a few. So again, I'm available. My contact information there, so if you need to get a hold of me, we can hold a Zoom meeting where if you need to share your screen, if you need help, that type of thing, I'd be more than happy to help you. Realize that I do teach, or I'm sorry, I work full-time Monday through Thursday. I do work every fourth Friday. I do teach 2 nights a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, this through the Workforce IT Workforce Acceleration. I'm teaching an advanced Java class right now. So just realize that I'm here to teach you. I'm here to teach you as best I can through this type of media with video lectures and you guys kind of working on things on your own. So, but again, I really, really encourage you to pause videos, try things, experiment, go out to the internet, look how to do stuff. If you find something you really want to kind of work on, please please by all means shoot me an email or ping me and say, hey, I'm having problems doing this, or I want to learn how to do this. I'd be more than happy to sit down and talk with you. So anyways, I hope you enjoy the next 6 weeks. And I look forward to kind of hearing from you guys. Okay.